Hello everyone, so welcome to SP3275 lab experiments. So our first lab experiment, or lab 0, is on ocean acidification. In this experiment, you will be investigating the effect of the use of using vinegar on the change in the mass for calcium carbonate, and we'll be using eggshells to test that out. So for this experiment, what materials we'll be having is we will be using artificial vinegar as our acid source, and then we'll be using water, right, as the control. And then we have some eggshells, kindly sponsored by the Muslim store at Non-Econ Frontier. Okay, so in this experiment, why we want to measure the change in the mass is because when you react an acid with calcium carbonate, what happens is that carbon dioxide is liberated in the process, so the mass will decrease because of the release of the gas. Okay, so what we will be doing in this experiment is we will be standardizing the volume of the liquid used, right? So let's just grab a bunch of eggshells. Just grab a bunch of eggshells, and we'll put it inside each of these containers. So these eggshells have been crushed before this, right? Okay, we'll just grab a bunch. Okay, now, so we'll be standardizing the volume that is being used, right? I will just use this to measure 100 cm3. Ideally, it should cover all of the eggshells inside, right? So, okay, so I think I'll use 200 ml. 200 ml? 200 ml. Yeah, 200 ml. Okay. Why is it so slow? Okay, 200 ml. So 200 ml goes to our vinegar. That was too much. It's okay. Okay, and then we have 100 ml to our 1:1 solution. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it should cover all of it. Okay. Actually, some of the bubbles are already being formed. So let's quickly measure the initial mass. Okay, so we'll measure the initial mass. Why is it? Okay, so this one is 234.23 grams, and then this one is 234.43 grams. Oh, I'm quite accurate actually. And this is 237.81 grams. Okay, so this is the initial mass of the setup. After this, we will let it stay for a few days, and then we will measure the mass every single day until for a duration of 1 week, and then and then we will see, and then the data will be given to you over this 1 week, and then you will analyze the data and write it inside your lab 0 journal entry. Okay? Yeah. I'll take the observations. So over here, we can see that this one is for the 1-time concentration of vinegar. This one is for the 0.5-time concentration of vinegar. And this is the control setup, which is just the water. Okay?